Hey everyone, I'm Joe and I'm an IT specialist here at Nagios. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a new instance to a Nagios Log Server version R2 cluster. Having a cluster in Nagios Log Server version R2 ensures high availability and load balancing by distributing logs across multiple nodes, preventing data loss in case of hardware failure. Also, it improves performance by allowing multiple servers to process and store log data efficiently to ensure seamless log management for large environments. Come on, let's dive right into today's tutorial. First, we have to have at least one instance of Nagios Log Server up and running. This will be the master cluster instance. Now, we're going to follow steps to install Nagios Log Server R2. We have our fresh Linux install ready to go. I'm currently going to be working on CentOS 9. Now, we can run these commands as a normal install, but we are going to have one slight change at the very end. cd/tmp. Now, we can wget https:// Now, our next command that we're going to be running is our tar xcf command. So now we can tar xcf. Our second to last command is cd Nagios Log Server, and then if need be, you can just press tab, and then it fills it out for you. You can press enter, and now we can do our final command. This is the part that's different from a normal install. Normally, we would just do --full install, but now we're going to add -a at the end. The first message that it wants us to do is add our IP address of our master instance. Now we can choose a name for this node. I'm going to name mine as test. And then now it wants us to enter an administrative API token for our master cluster instance. We could find this API token over in our master instance. We can head over to the top right, click on Profile, and then here we can see our API key. We want to copy this whole thing and paste it in to our terminal. And now we can install and let our Nagios cluster run. Now that we have successfully installed this instance of our cluster, we can head over to this instance and finish the setup install. Currently, I am on my just installed instance of my cluster. You can head over to your main one, or you can head over to the second instance that you just installed. We can head over to admin on the left-hand side. We can click on cluster status, and we can see that our status health is green. And we have two instances in our cluster. This is a small cluster, and it didn't take long for the shards to replicate. In a large cluster, it may take some time for the shards to be allocated, which will entail the status to stay in a yellow state until it completes. If you observe the number under unassigned shards, it's at 0, such as mine, or the shards are reducing over time, then everything is working as expected. The cluster will return to a green status when the shard allocation completes and or when the unassigned shards continues to be at 0. And that's it. I hope everyone was able to follow along this video super easily. If you need any more support or additional assistance, you can visit us at support.nagios.com. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment any more videos you'd like to see regarding Nagios products. Thanks for watching, and happy monitoring!